Do these scenes look familiar to you? Are you still installing electrical boxes the old-fashioned way? Does your back ache after a full day of this? Are you tired of having problems on the finish work because of poorly mounted boxes during rough-in? Have you ever said to yourself, there's got to be a better way? Well, now there is. The new BoxSet electrical box installer by Wheeler Tools. This ingenious device takes all the drudgery out of the repetitive task of installing dozens or even hundreds of electrical boxes. With the BoxSet installer, there's no more measuring for each box location, no more problems with getting the proper depth setting, and boxes are aligned parallel to the stud face, perfect every time. The BoxSet installer works equally well with low or high mount boxes. Now you can install boxes quickly and easily without the need for measuring each new box location. Let's take a closer look at how the BoxSet installer works. Before starting installation, you'll want to check the BoxSet tools adjustments to be sure they're correct for this job site. First, adjust the clamping jaws for the size of box you'll be using. Just hold the box in the measuring area on the back of the clamp and turn the adjustment knob till snug. Next, adjust the depth guides to the thickness of the finish wall covering. Use the built-in scales to adjust anywhere from flush to the surface to a full 1 inch out. Again, all it takes are a few turns of the knobs. Finally, extend the height adjustment arms to the proper distances from the floor. It's easy with the built-in scales. A quick turn of the clamping screws and you're ready to go. These adjustments need only be set once for most installations. To install a box takes just 3 easy steps. First, touch the box face to the clamping jaws. As soon as the box touches the trigger mechanism, the jaws instantly grasp the box, holding it firmly for installation. Step 2. Place the BoxSet tool against the stud and secure the box in the normal way. The tool's alignment guides hold everything in place. Step 3. Release the box, which also resets the clamp jaws. That's all there is to it. You're ready for the next box. The BoxSet installer works equally well with nail or screw-mounted boxes. Low-mounted boxes, like those used for receptacles, are just as easy. You just turn the BoxSet tool over. The tool is well balanced for dual positioning. The BoxSet tool eliminates the need for bending when installing duplex outlets and other low-mount boxes. After installing a low box, you can reset the clamp jaws with your toe. It couldn't be simpler. The BoxSet tool is fully adjustable to accommodate all popular sizes and types of electrical box, from the most common single-gang plastic boxes through 3, 4, and even 5-gang steel. The BoxSet handles them all. The BoxSet tool installs boxes at an infinite range of heights. The built-in adjustment arms can go as low as 3.5 inches up to 49 inches from the floor to the bottom of the box. And that's not all. The BoxSet tool comes with an EMT adapter clamp, which allows you to extend the height setting as high as you'll ever need. Just cut a piece of standard 1/2-inch metal conduit to whatever length you want and insert it in the adapter. The extended height range is limited only by the length of conduit you supply. This is especially useful when you have multiple high-mount boxes, such as wall-mounted fixtures and smoke detectors. The BoxSet tool is well balanced, and it's built to last. Its all-steel, welded construction will stand up to the abuse that's typical around construction sites. There are no delicate parts to wear out or worry about breaking. This tool is so easy to use, you won't have to worry about even your beginner apprentice installing all your boxes. After just a minimum of training, anyone can install boxes consistently and accurately time after time. The revolutionary new BoxSet is a breakthrough in tool design for the professional electrician. This is one tool that will pay for itself many times over, not only by increasing your productivity, but by assuring accurate and consistent installation every time you install. Order your new BoxSet installation tool today. It'll save you time and money from the first day you use it. To order or for more information, call 208-467-6024 or fax 208-467-7539 or write BoxSet, Wheeler Tools, P.O. Box 9535, Nampa, Idaho 83652.